What's up guys, Shane Starnes here. In this video, I'll be partnering with Paiseec to take a look at the Mobility Scooter S3. Now, this is technology that I wouldn't usually cover on this channel, but as someone who worked in the mobility scooter and power wheelchair industry for about 3 years, when they sent over the information, there were some standout features to the S3 mobility scooter, particularly when it comes to safety features that I think are going to benefit most people looking for a mobility scooter, especially in this price range. In this video, we'll take a full look at everything that this mobility scooter has to offer. Let's go ahead and get started. In my work in the industry, one thing that I noticed about a lot of power wheelchairs and scooters is that they can really get away from you very easily, especially if you're not super familiar with them. One thing that I really love about the S3 is the built-in safety features. First of all, controlling this is super easy. You've got a lever. It doesn't matter if you pull the right side or left side, it's going to be able to propel this forward. And as soon as you let go of the lever, it stops immediately. So you don't even have to worry about a brake pedal or anything like that. The seat is equipped with a sensor that can recognize whether or not you're seated, and it's not going to move unless it senses that you were in your seat.
Take the seat before driving.
With the S3, you don't have to worry about this taking off before you're ready to go. This is powered by the Pi Smart chip, including the Pi Safety system. This allows for automatic speed management on slopes and even on turns. In my opinion, this is one of the most important safety features. This recognizes when you're turning and automatically decelerates, reducing the risk of rollover. This smart feature is also able to automatically adjust speeds when you're on slopes, so you don't have to worry about this getting out of hand if you're going downhill. Speaking of hills, this is going to be able to climb hills and other slopes like ramps thanks to a 250-watt motor, which gives us all the power it needs to tackle hills and slopes. The motor's power also translates to any terrain, so you'll be able to use this not only inside on your wooden floor, tiles, and carpet, but also outside on concrete, asphalt, and even in your yard through the grass. Not only does this have a very powerful motor, but it also has larger tires that are built for all-terrain driving with 9-inch tires on the front and 10-inch tires on the back. The built-in 36-volt, 12-amp-hour lithium battery gives you up to 25 miles of range on a single charge. For most folks, that's going to give you 10 to 20 days of use between charge cycles. The S3 is also equipped with smart energy recovery, which is able to convert kinetic energy into electric energy for storage, which can even further increase the device's range. Another thing that I really love about this scooter is the two-step fold system. This folds flat and is very easily able to be transported. You'll be able to put this in most trunks and cars and SUVs, and because this folds down into a more compact size, it's very easy to put this out of the way. When folded, this scooter is 38.98 inches long by 21.65 inches wide and only 16.93 inches tall, so it's going to be able to fit in most trunks. And when you're ready to get going, it's very easy to unfold this and get it set up. I thought it was pretty important to just kind of demonstrate how easy this is to collapse for transportation. So you'll make sure it's turned off, and then it's as simple as grabbing the little T-handle right here underneath the seat, just pull that forward, and then this collapses in on itself. You can push the armrest back to get them out of the way. With the basket, you can leave it in place, or to get it out of the way, you can just take that off very easily. And then you'll pull this handle down on the steering column and then just fold it in like so. From there, you can pick this up to move it around. There's a bumper here up front that you can grab and roll this out of the way. If you're ready to store it, you can very easily just set it up like that, and it's out of the way, very convenient. This unfolds and sets up just as easily as it folds. So you'll just set up the steering column here, pull the lever to lock it in place, and then you're just going to lift on the seat until it snaps into place, and the basket just slides back down onto the front.
Reversing. Caution. Reversing. Caution, please.
Yeah, so very, very easy to collapse for storage. and to set back up when you're ready to drive it again. The large dashboard screen makes this very easy to use with a mechanical knob which allows you to choose from 3 different speed levels, low, medium, and high, plus a reverse gear and a push mode. You can even control your horn and the LED headlight right here from the dashboard. If you're looking for an affordable mobility scooter that has all the safety features built in that you would need, plus is easy to store and transport, then the Paiseec Mobility Scooter S3 is definitely a great option. I'll be sure to include links in the description of where you can find out more information about this scooter and where you can pick up one for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.